As we attend to our everyday needs, such as college and our jobs, our schedules can become too much to handle. Therefore, as adults, we experience stress that can become suppressing and overwhelming. Stress can come from overpacked schedules, personal situations, and the worries of our future success.
When the semester starts, organizing your schedule based on deadlines can be overwhelming. Unfortunately, with deadlines and projects approaching for school or work, this can cause immense amounts of anxiety and stress. As a possibility, you may experience a lack of organization, therefore causing you to get behind on classes and work. Planning in a notebook and making checklists in a journal used to be our go-to method when managing our stress with scheduling. However, this can be time-consuming.
We have recently come across an app that you can download both on desktop or mobile that will help you plan your weekly and monthly activities accordingly so you can feel in control.
So what is Notion? Notion is a digital workspace where you can journal, take notes, budget, and do almost everything else you need to do to organize your work and personal life. I think a great way to put it is a combination of Google Doc, spreadsheet, calendar, and bullet journal, and it's basically where I can keep everything in one place. It's not an exaggeration that I have all of my life planned on Notion right now.
Notion is user-friendly and accessible through desktop or laptop at www.notion.so. Not only is Notion accessible on desktop, but can be accessed through your mobile phone as well by downloading the app on your mobile app store.
If you're never using Notion before, I recommend using template because it's really customizable, so you can always personalize it to your liking. I will link my template in the description box below if you guys want to download Notion for free. So in my dashboard, I just have a quote at the top to motivating myself to work harder. Under that, I just have my favorite playlist. I just get to see all my favorite songs at the moment, and I think this is really nice just to really set the mood of when we're gonna get studying. This is how you're gonna change this to yours. You can go to Spotify, choose your favorite playlist, copy the link, come back to Notion, click on more action, replace it with the link, and then it's gonna show up. I'm going to show you guys how to insert any Notion embed really quickly. So in Notion, you always use slash to start a command. So here you can insert text, create a page. This is also where you are going to be inserting image from the internet or thing that you have saved to your desktop. You want to press slash and you're going to click embed. So now that you found the embed search bar, you're just going to look up indify.co on Google. If I have a lot of widgets to add it to Notion, you can either do weather or Google Calendar, but today I'm going to choose clock. And it's really customizable also. You can choose the color of the clock and how you want to view your clock. All you have to do is copy and then go back to Notion, paste it in, and then click embed link, and then it should show up. So the first column, I just have a daily to-do list. It's really self-explanatory. You can just put in the task for the day, and when you click the checkbox, it crosses off, and it's very satisfying. And then I just have this nice aesthetic photo. All the pictures were taken off Google or Pinterest. Underneath is university. I'm mainly using the class page because that is where I keep all my assignment timeline and note. I have my class schedule time at the top, and I have a table, which is another great feature on Notion. I have table for almost everything. They are so customizable. So here I just have the assignment name, course name, the deadline. You can change your status of in progress or not start and even done. You can also change the view to timeline or calendar, but I already have a duplicate view as a calendar below because I find it more convenient for me. On the right, in my class information, I have my Zoom class link in there, then all my assignment for this class, his email, and you can also put your grade in, but haven't had time to do that. I also have my weekly planning. So at the beginning of every week on Sunday, I will plan out my week according to due date, deadline assessment, and I will put all those in first, and then I will fill in practice problem and homework. also some of my photo shoot and video editing. And this is definitely the thing that got me throughout the semester because I was always planning what I would be doing every single day of the week.